Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to download TikTok on your iPhone but it's not working, there are a few possible reasons for this. Let's go over the most common issues and how to fix them. First, check if TikTok is actually available in your country. The app isn't accessible everywhere. If it's restricted in your region, you won't be able to download it from the App Store. If you're unsure, try searching for TikTok in the App Store. If it doesn't appear, that could be the issue. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can prevent app downloads. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You can also run a quick speed test or open another app that requires internet to check if your connection is working properly. Another thing to look at is your iPhone storage. If your device is running low on space, the App Store won't let you download new apps. To check, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. If you're running out of space, try deleting unused apps, clearing out large files, or offloading apps you don't need. It's also possible that restrictions have been enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If these restrictions are turned on, check if app downloads are allowed. If they're blocked, you'll need to adjust these settings before you can install TikTok. If none of these solutions work, try restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest iOS version. A simple restart can fix small glitches, and running an outdated iOS version might sometimes interfere with app downloads. That's it. Hopefully, one of these fixes helped you get TikTok installed on your iPhone. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.